Well, if she's driving you to work or you're headed to the club, and you hear that special song that you both really love, you pull your best girl close and you tell her how you feel, and then you kiss her one time so she knows it's really real. And when the music's that good, you don't even have to ask. Rip off the knob and beat on the dash. Well, when you're running with your lover on a Saturday night, you're punching buttons on the dial 'cause it's got to be right. You got your car shined up and the rack top down. You're playing power country music while you're cruising through town. Yeah, your baby's looking sexy. This moment has to last. Rip off the knob and beat on the dash. Rip it off. Rip it off. Well, when you're parked at the beach on a near perfect night, and the stage has been set for a party in the moonlight, well, the drums begin to pound and you're dancing with your friends, and you don't expect you're ever gonna feel this good again. And then the DJ said, call in to win the cash. Rip off the knob and beat on the dash. Here we go, come on, help me. Rip it off. Rip it off. One more time, here we go. Rip it off. Rip it off.
That's the Bellamy Brothers.
When Amos Moses was a boy, his daddy would use him for alligator bait. Tie a rope around his waist and throw him in the swamp.